Hello everyone, let's do some unboxing. I ordered some parts for my truck, my F-350, old big blue. These here should be the backing parts. Oh, there's parts in there. There's the hold down pins and the springs. Okay, that should be the passenger side. That's the side I pulled apart. That should be the cool. Alright, they look pretty good. I was worried about them. I tried to get the whole complete kit, and they were out of the one the left rear. So I ended up buying all the parts to build my own, because everything is a bucket of rust in there. So and then I looked at the prices. These were like, both of those were like 95 bucks. And then the brake shoes were 20, and then the hardware kit was 15, and shipping, so probably $140 rather than the whole complete kit with the shoes and the caliper bracket and everything. It was 123. So for two of them would have been 2.5 plus shipping, you know? And so I saved a few bucks there by going that route. All right, what do we got in here? Here should be the spring kit. Yep, all new springs and adjusters. Let's check out those old adjusters. They're pretty bad. I don't know, I got some schmutz there too. New shoes. We're gonna keep them out, but I'm gonna get preparing on that. Also got brake cables. The only thing I didn't order was the wheel seals. Cool. The other one I want to look at because it has brackets on it. I want to see if it came with the brackets. It only came with the one bracket. It has some little hooks I'll have to take off the old cable. No big deal. I wanted to get this parking brake fixed because every time I go to load my plow, I can't hold my truck back. Okay, so we have one more box here. One more box from the Rock Auto. You know, I've used Rock Auto a few times and I have no complaints. Not yet, anyway. Okay, these are the pads. Got the anti-rattle clips and stuff with them. The pads. Let's see if we can unbox this. We'll just do the one. rotors look like. I forget which ones I ordered. But it comes as a whole complete kit, 2 rotors and brake pads. There we go. Brand spanking new. Okay. Alright, I'm going to get at assembling these brake pads and get ready to put them on probably tomorrow or Saturday, right before Easter. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be good. If you can't be good, be kind.